आखिरी के 2 मिनट बचे हैं. We shall start the match at most in 2 minutes. Team CleanMax Hybrid, Lydia. We would need one player at the com box. Yeah, for the scoring sesh. Team Digital Connection DX United Mandar. Make sure that you're sending one of your player at the last 1 minute. Last 40 seconds. Last 30 seconds, guys. Last 15 seconds. Adi, come fast. 10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4.5,
4,
3,
2, 1.
1. And here we go.
Short pitch ball. And that's played to the square leg. Coming back for second. Send back. Chance for the run out there. Single run, first ball. So hello and welcome to the excitement game of cricket. ब्रुकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025 सीजन 5 डे 6 में आप सभी का जोरदार स्वागत. आज का ये पहला मैच क्लीन मैक्स वर्सेस डीएक्स यूनाइटेड. जस्ट प्लेसिंग द बॉल एंड कंफर्टेबल सिंगल. एक एक रन से शुरुआत की है दोनों बैटर्स ने. So news from the center, DX United won the toss, selected to field. They invited Clean Max to bat. Oh, that's a very good stop in the covers. And a good presence of mind for the batter that they're not taking any run. They were looking for the run, but the striker batsman says, Ruk jaiye, ruk jaiye. Oh, that's flicked away nicely. Fielder standing at short mid-wicket for a single. Taking a single. That's a good running, smart investment. Low risk, steady return, and 1 run secured. Back to back. This time just going down the leg side, and umpire Mr. Jitendra will signaling that wide. We have square leg umpire Mr. Deva. That's a clever batting by both the batters. That single might look small, but it's compound over time. Smart asset management by both the batters. They are investing in singles. This time much better bowling. Fuller one. The fielder standing at deep. That's long off. 1 run added. Slow and steady. Growth in scoreboard portfolio. So 1 was gone, 6 for no loss. Abhishek and Karan, the opening pair, and Harshad only considered 6 runs. Sanjog. Oh, the fielder tried to stop that. Will get us 1 run there at square leg. So they're not going for big one. Consistent singles. That's sustainable investment energy by both the batters. Into the gaps. Very well played. Will they come back for two? Good fielding, good throw there.
The partnership is building nicely.
Oh, you joined in commentary box. Welcome once again, Sridhar.
Thank you, Mitesh. Let's see how the match goes since it's sunny out here.
It's getting extra down the leg side for wide. Excellent, sensible batting. Also, they're bowling really good. Just converting one run investment, rotating the strike, both the batters. The score is 10 on the board. Looking for a big one, swing and a miss. That's cut away nicely. The fielder didn't stop that. And they will capitalize. One more chance for the run out. So that's, once again, we can say that converting inquiries into sales. 2 runs taken. That's played. They're taking single in regular intervals. That's what the strategy of clean max. Let's see what will they do in the coming overs. दो ओवर के बाद 13 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Clean max. Let's see now the skipper, Mandar, with the ball. Oh, that's a good strike straight. Harshad, the fielder, standing at long off for single. Oh, that's a very good bowling, clever. And that's what DX United will pressure the batters. They will restrict something for sure today. Oh, that's flicked away nicely, up and over. Only a single. So it's like both the batters are maintaining the cash flow. The scoreboard stay liquid. Into the block hole, into the gaps. Coming back for 2 runs. And what do you say, Sridhar? They got 2 runs on the board.
I guess 2 run मिलते ही portfolio ने smile कर दिया. That's what we can think of.
Yeah, absolutely. Well said, well said. Portfolio build up कर रहे हैं, indeed.
इधर भी same strategies are on.
Sent back. This could be the chance. But the throw was not that fine. But yes, they got the wicket. Run out के रूप में wicket मिला है. And finally a sigh of relief for the skipper Mandar and his army. मिला है wicket. You can see on the big screen the action replay. Throw at the striker end. And keeper had made the bails off. LED lights off. उड़ा दिया है बेल्स को एंड द न्यू बैटर कमिंग.
18 for 1.
Yes, we have Anupama, the new batter. Oh wow. She swings the bat perfectly timed. And she's coming back for second. Could be the chance,
Oh my
but very good
God,
running.
That's a good running between the wickets.
That's good running. कमाल के timing. Bat से investment double returns.
Risk लिया है and return भी मिला है अनुपमा को.
Yes, 3 gone is 24-1. Clean max hybrid. Anupama and Karan, the big responsibility on their shoulders. Let's see how they can capitalize for the next 4 overs. Shreya, one of the strongest contender from DX United. Oh, just going. Oh, the umpire indicates a no ball. And coming up, next ball, following ball will be free hit. Yes, that's a signal. Shuffling the fielding by skipper Mandar. And that's gone high in the air. Harsha tried to take that, but that will go all the way for 6 runs.
That's the kind of energy you need on Sunday afternoon on a very sunny day.
Yes, he timed it quick, clean and slick. That's 6, and what a trick. दमदार, शानदार, जोरदार पहला 6 आज के इस दिवस में. 3 ओवर के बाद 28 पर 1.
Beautiful shot out there.
Indeed, that was another no ball. So another free hit coming up. सोने में सुहागा यहाँ पर क्लीन मैक्स. अब ये मैच को कम बैक. यस, फ्री हिट बॉल कमिंग अप वंस मोर. वन मोर गोल्डन चांस फॉर करण. उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर मिसफील्ड है. 2 रन के लिए जाएंगे जरूर और मिलेंगे यहाँ पे 2 रन. पूरी तरह से यहाँ पर मौका मिला और रन चुरा लिया. मार्केट ओपन थी, एंट्री मारा, लाइटनिंग स्पीड पे 2 रन लिया. In the air, and this time Sanjog takes
Bowled
it.
out.
One important announcement. Physio station, physio is available, so any players who got injured during practice can please have it checked with the physio. The physio is we have here at the physio station, right side of the
We are witnessing a good connection between the batter and the bowler here. Another 6. Another 6 was scored by Ratik.
It's 42 with that 6 and जगह बनाई इस बार और एक भेज दिया है सीधे तारामंडल में 6 रन के लिए.
You can sense the tension brewing between the other teams.
Yes, back to back, and that's we call that's no flick. That's an investment trick. 6 runs. Portfolio has super quick. 6 run. 4 over के बाद 48 for 2। क्या एक बड़ा स्कोर यहां पर देखने मिलेगा 70-80 के करीब, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से पिछले ओवर में रन आए हैं 28 रन्स कंसीडर्ड बाय श्रेया इन दैट लास्ट ओवर।
Bowlers are strategizing again after the batter has scored 2 sixes back to back.
Yes, indeed, Ratik 18 of 4, 3 maximum hits, and now Anupama. She had also done well. First ball, 2 runs, and let's see now. Looking very confident, Clean Max. They started really steady, but they are now ready to roar, and they already roared. और 3 ओवर है बाकी। शशांक, the new bowler. That's a very good excellence, presence of mind by Anupama. That's when just going outside the off stump line for wide. 49 on the board, Clean Max. Softly played, but straight to the fielder at square leg. Looking to swing the bat onside. Swing and miss straight to the wicket keeper.
I can sense tension between DX.
Oh, that's played but straight to the fielder. So a bit of good comeback we can see for DX United. 3 balls, 4.3, it's 49 for 2. Oh, it's indeed a 4 ball, 4 balls. Okay, correction, we have that's 50 for Clean Max. 50 रन पूरे, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Clean Max. Those are supporting. साइलेंस साइलेंस है। क्लीन मैक्स बोलेंगे हम, तालियां बजाएंगे जीतने के बाद। In the air, good stop, good stop.
This partnership is building nicely.
So Anupama completed her batting and get 2 runs extra. She scored 2. They will get 1 more double. 4.5, it's 52 with that score. Last ball of the 5th over.
Bowler taking a moment, setting his field carefully, preparing for the next batter.
Sritam, new batter coming at number 4. So let's see, interesting to watch after this 2 overs left of the first innings. दमदार शुरुआत की है क्लीन मैक्स ने। इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद, मिड विकेट के क्षेत्र में, देखना होगा 1 रन से।
They're keeping the scoreboard ticking with comfortable singles at this point after they have scored 2 sixes in a row.
Yes, because you can see Shrida, the last over of Shreya went 28 and now the comeback has done by the DX United. मात्र 3 रन दिए हैं 5 ओवर के बाद 53 पे 2 Clean Max hybrid coming up the last 2 overs of the first innings, and let's see if DX United can restrict under 70 or Clean Max will go for some big hittings, because Ratik and Sritam, they are dangerous batters.
This over could be crucial. The bowler looks fired up. And
Straight up
here
in the
it
air.
goes.
And being dropped. chance for the wicket and they lost.
Fielding is important at this point. They need to catch up.
Ratik on strike, already 3 sixes from his bat and looking for one more, but straight at the fielder. Good stop by Shreya at that. Shreya there at short mid wicket, but they will take a single. 55 पे 2 है score फिलहाल clean max hybrid.
This could be the game that changes. This could be the over that changes the game now.
Gets good strike at mid wicket. Will they come back for 2? They will get it.
Comfortable 2 there.
Good running between the wickets. 2 runs taken. Oh wow, that's a very good shot.
And
This
with
is
that,
like a
they
typical
scored.
Shrida. This is like a typical Surya Kumar Yadav shot.
Indeed. With that, how much are they scoring, Mitesh?
It's now the score is 58 for 2 after 5.4. They are looking very good. Ratik and Sritam. Ratik especially is
Ratik is
dangerous.
finding his groove here.
Oh, we talked about Ratik was looking good, but Sanjog said कि इनका wicket बहुत ही important था, and that's gone. Very well played by Ratik. Caught behind. That's a wicket number. Oh, indeed, Sritam is out. So indeed, Sritam got out. Ratik is there. Last ball of the 6th over coming up is Atish. Oh, one more big contender. Every contender of clean max. ये देखिए 2 रन लिया है. And with that, end of the over. 6 gone. It's 60 for 3. Let's see what clean max. We're talking about that 70 plus will be the challenging total for DX United. What do you say, Shrida?
Now we got to see what plan the next bowler has.
Let's see, they will call Harshad to bowl the last, or Mandar will bowl. Talking about the bowling attack, Harshad 1 over 6, Sanjog 2 over 14 for 1, Mandar the skipper 1 over 7, Shreya 1 over 28 for 1, Sashang 1 over 3, and Harshad will bowl the last over coming up of the first innings. Atish and Ratik, दोनों दमदार बल्लेबाज है क्रीज पर. क्या आतिश करेंगे बड़ी आतिशबाजी, क्या रतीक कुछ कमाल करेंगे, देखना होगा. इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच. Oh, just going outside the off stump line for wide. Oh wow, that's gone miles in the air. The fielders are just spectator to watch. 6 run के लिए.
That's Sunday special, straight out of the middle of the bat.
One swing, full fling, scoreboard catching. 67 on the board and oh my God, look at the frustration level of Harshad. That's we call the beauty of cricket. ये है क्रिकेट का खेल. पल में तोला पल में माशा, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कौन बनेगा इस मैच का सिंघम. This is what the game is called. Ratik very well played, 25 7 ball with 4 maximum hit. इन्होंने एक कैमियो पारी खेली है टीम के लिए. आखिरी 4 गेंद पहली पारी. 67 for 4 on the board. We are skipper now, Mr. Chaturvedi on strike.
It's the kind of a day where every ball brings a roar.
Yeah, absolutely. Thus going outside the off-stump line for wide. So pressure now,
He's building
both
up.
the sides. High in the air. And easy catch taken.
You can feel the tension. One big moment could swing this game, and let's see how it goes.
Yes, the portfolio crashed, confidence dashed, fielder flashed, and dreams smashed. That's a 1 wicket fall. 68 for 5 after 6.3. Coming up the last 3 balls of the first innings. Let's see what Atish and the new batter joining the party.
This is the highest score any team has ever achieved in season 5.
Oh, she tried to take that, but bit of
And
just
they're not stopping here.
coming up the last ball of the first innings. 69 for 5. Sridhar, what do you think? 6-4 wicket.
I think they can easily cross 70.
Yeah, already 69 on the board, so they already got a challenging total to chase for DX United. Interesting to watch in the second inning. Let's see, last ball.
That's a good score to achieve, especially in this hot sunny day.
And that will go! That will go for a big one! 6 more!
Hands up in the crowd if you're enjoying this. What a show.
Yeah, absolutely well played. It's called high value investment, zero hesitation, and return out of the park. Katak! 6 run के लिए.
The fielders take a breather. It's been a busy over.
You can see the excellent batting performance. 25 by Ratik, 12 contribution by Abhishek and Karan. Anupama also contributed. Sritam 5. Every batter contribution. 8 extras. With a run rate of 10.71, they scored a big total 7 over 75 for 5. It will be challenging 76 to win. Look at the bowling performance. Only Shashank bowled really well, 3 runs. Then we have Manda, the skipper, 1 over 7. And also we have Sanjog, 2 over 14. Rest a bit expensive. And that's the over of Shreya. They got capitalized at more runs on the board.
That's the end of the innings. A solid effort with the bat.
Stay tuned for the next innings coming up. And meanwhile, we will go for the toss boss for the next match. Over to Manish.
All right, so with this, may I request the captain of team Bam Blasters and Brookfield Gladiators. The captain of team Bam Blasters and Brookfield Gladiators to please join us for the toss boss. Prathamesh, Mr. Akshay, if you can please join us. Do we have the captain of team Brookfield Gladiators across? All right, so I think we should go ahead for the combox now for the situation of the current match that is going on, that is about to start the second inning I'm talking about. We shall have toss in another 2 minutes. over to the com box. Oh, I think my brother is already there. Let's do the toss. Prathamesh, please join us. Oh my God, I'm really looking good. Hi, what's up? No, I'm looking at the screen there. And this all credit goes to our broadcasting team, tenniscricket.in. Great stuff, guys. Akshay bhai, please join us for the toss ka boss. May I request Prathamesh, the captain of Team Brookfield Gladiators. May I request Mr. Sridhar, sir, please join us for the toss ceremony of the second match. That might be good. That might turn out to be lucky for you guys. So on my left, we've got Prathamesh, who's the captain of Team Brookfield Gladiators. And please come in the frame, my brother. And on the right, we've got Akshay Bhai from Team BAM Blasters. And to do the honors for this toss ceremony, we've got Mr. Sridhar. So who's going to be giving the call? Okay.
Heads.
Heads is the call and tails it is. You never know. You never know. Because, of course. Thank you so much for the honors. Thank you so much. So, Akshay, congratulations. First of all, bhai, you have won the toss. What would you like to go for?
We will bowl first.
Any changes in the strategy for this match?
No, we are going with the same strategy.
But one thing I want to request to you and all your players, please keep yourself hydrated at the intervals whenever you get the time, because it's right heat out there. So make sure that you people are good. All right, all the best, and may the best team wins. Yeah, thank you so much. Prathamesh bhai, we had Sridhar sir, again, who's from, like, you know, jinke team se aap belong karte hain. He did the toss. Unfortunately, not able to win the toss, but you never know. Result decide hota hai after the match. Toss really does not decide the results. अगर आप टॉस जीतते फिर भी तो क्या लेते? What you like to?
As Sridhar was saying, it's good to lose the toss because we were confused. So we were thinking to change our strategy, and we are looking forward for batting first. We're looking forward to have a good total on the board.
You anyways which wanted to bat first.
Yeah.
So that's a win-win scenes, right?
Correct.
So all the best, man, and may the best team wins. And once again and again, I'm announcing this for everybody. People, make sure that you people are hydrated. क्योंकि टेम्परेचर बढ़ चुका है क्लाइमेट और वेदर के साथ साथ ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 5 के मस्ती का, एक्साइटमेंट का और ढेर सारे क्रिकेट का. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल माय व्यूअर्स. Stay tuned because we've got a lot of things that is happening today. Over to the com box.
Thank you very much, Manish. 76 to chase, and a very good start from Rahul in the bowling. Achal and Sanjog, the opening pair from DX United. So big target to chase. पर्वत जैसा लक्ष्य है, क्या उनके हुनर में राज है, देखना होगा ये दोनों बल्लेबाज अब कैसे शुरुआत करेंगे. The steady start was done by Clean Max 2 over 12 runs, and then they capitalized for the next 5 overs. And let's see now, it's important. Akshay.
And there we have the toss between Team Brookfield Gladiators and Team BAM Blasters. So Team BAM Blasters have won the toss and they opted to bowl first.
And it's very soft dismissal, gone, wicket. Clean Max hybrid charging up. 5 गेंद, कोई रन नहीं, 2 विकेट लेने में कामयाब, दमदार शुरुआत की है. So now need to come back with something strong intent. Both the batters, let's see. Last ball of the first over. Defensively played as a maiden over and 2 wickets. Kya baat hai? Excellent bowling performance. Good start by Clean Max hybrid in the bowling. And they will defend for sure because it's a big target to chase. Let's see for
The
DX
batsman
United.
the batsman is taking it easy, getting used to the surface for now. Wonderful camera work there. We can see birds enjoying the match. On
Yeah,
a
they are the
beautiful
spectator.
Sunday
They are
afternoon.
watching the cricket carnival of Brookfield Premier League.
Properties.
Good placement, good placement. Pressure is still on DX United. जिस प्रकार से शुरुआत की है अब देखना होगा. Need fireworks. That's connected well, but will get 2 runs. So first run into the account of DX United. And that's connected well, high in the air, 6R. And that's what DX United will look for. बेहतरीन धमाकेदार 6 रन के लिए. Excellent timing over long on. You can see the action replay.
Bowler taking a moment, setting his field carefully since the other team was able to secure a 6.
Good strike from Sanjog. Clean strike.
He
He's
nailed it.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, that's very good bowling. Good comeback. That's clever defensively played.
Both teams are trying to keep it tight.
Oh, that's gone.
Wonderful bowling out there.
एक्सलेंट बॉलिंग. टोटल यहाँ पर बीट हो गया. अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलना चाहते थे और ये धीमी गति के साथ बॉलिंग में परिवर्तन मिला है विकेट. अजब गजब क्रिकेट. क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड पूरी तरह से डिफेंडिंग मोड में है. It's 8 for 3 after 1.5. They need 68 runs from 31 balls. It's a new batter, Niket. Oh, that's a very good bowling. That's a beauty of a delivery. Excellent start. Also, so both the bowlers have started really well. 2 gone, 8 for 3 and they need 68 runs, 30 balls. 30 गेंदों में 68 रन की दरकार है. 68 runs and 30 balls. That's almost 13 runs every over. 13.5. They can keep in mind that 14 runs per over will get their match into the account of DX United.
We'll see how well Harshad and Niket are going to perform in this one.
And we have the strong contender Atish. Oh, that's good bowling. Line and length. Excellent. Looking to play that offside. A slight touch. A gentle touch, but he didn't get the contacted with the ball.
This is getting interesting now. Momentum's shifting gently and they're taking it over. That's what it seems like at this point.
Tension is rising for DX United. Let's see who will be releasing the pressure now. That's played. Cracking shot toward covers into the gaps. Will take a single. But single will only rising that required run rate. 9 for 3 फिलहाल है स्कोर. एक दो बड़े हिट कोशिश करेंगे यहाँ पर. That's a very good bowling, a peach of a delivery. That's a beauty of bowling from Atish. And this is what they have, the strong bowling attack, Clean Max hybrid, defending champions. Oh, that's a full toss and gone very much umpire signaling no ball directly into the hands of wicketkeeper. It's above the height overhead. 10 for 3. So Harshad and Nikkei, the batters on crease. Let's see. Need something strong comeback. So maximum hittings over longer for long on. Let's see. Chance, non-striker. Oh, direct hit could be the chance. There's no backup fielder. Not able to stop. 2 runs, 1 in overthrow and 1 single. The score is 12 for 3. Steady start, but let's see. What is the action plan coming up for DX United? So 26 balls and 64 to get. Couple of big overs needed here. Not a single over for DX United. Straight up in the air. Good stop by the fielder. Good effort. Jumping effort. And only a single. 13 for 3. And for the next match, a team huddle you can see on the screen is going up. Strategy. इस कड़ी धूप में खेलना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है, but no worries. Sun is high, energy is double high. We'll take a single, and is that end of the over? 3 was gone, 14 for 3 और 24 गेंदों में 62 रन की दरकार है. देखना होगा आज किसकी सरकार है. That's almost 15 runs every over. Need to play for DX United. Difficult 15 runs every over. And couple of good overs will be the match for the Clean Max for the big win. Let's see. We had a fantastic work by tenniscricket.in, a fantastic broadcasting all across. Yes, next match के लिए आगाज हो चुका है. तैयारी है जीत की, तैयारी है उस और एक मैच की. फिलहाल यहाँ पर DX United देखना होगा.
DX United is under pressure here. They're trying to find the momentum.
Yes.
With that, we have 15 for 3.
No ball signal by the umpire, and coming up the following ball will be. Yes, the signal given, free hit.
DX requires 62 runs in 24 balls.
That was a free hit. पल भर की खुशी बॉलर को, और ये अक्सर होता है. Smile on his face. Ratik. So good bowling attack from Clean Max Hybrid, defending the score, the big mammoth total. 60 from 23. That's every ball almost 3 runs. Wow, what a fielding.
Runs have dried up. They need someone to back up soon. That's 17 for 3. Still
Yes.
require 59 runs in 22 balls, Mitesh.
Yes, they need something big one, but they are looking for single because the pressure is on. They have the all strong contenders, batters, bowlers, Ratik. One of
Bowlers
the-
are keeping it tight and they're not letting the other team secure runs.
Yes, Ravi will said. Let's play towards square leg. We'll get a 1 run. Good stop there by Anupama. It's 18 for 3. The equation says 20 balls and 58 to get. Oh, that's a clever bowling, pressurized bowling. पूरी तरह से इस मैच को क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड ने तहस महस कर दिया है. कोई बड़े स्ट्रोक मारने के लिए मौका नहीं दे रहे हैं. और यही है क्लीन मैक्स डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस. इसी के लिए तो कहलाए जाते हैं. That's played safe as a fielder coming from long on. Coming back for 2. This could be the chance the bowler didn't carry.
DX has realized that nothing comes easy and they're going to grind for this phase. And with that, they've secured 2 runs.
Yes, 2 runs of investment. That's the end of the over. 18 balls left, 56 to get.
DX requires 56 runs in 18 balls.
Yeah, that's almost a required run. It is around 19-18. And they can keep in mind 20 runs for coming 3 overs. 1 big over. But now it's not 1 big over. Coming 3 overs will be all big overs for DX United. कुछ तो चमत्कार, कुछ तो कमाल करना होगा, देखना होगा और कहलाना होगा कि हम भी किसी से कम नहीं. Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 6. देखना होगा क्या माइंड में किया है फिक्स दोनों टीम ने इस मैच में. As a first match in progress of Day 6. We have a fantastic umpires, Jitendras and Mr. Deva at square leg. The expertise. They are calm, composed. Here we have the new. Indeed, he will continue his second over, Rahul. It's a matter of 2 good defending overs for Clean Max to get a victory, a big margin win. Short cover, very short. That's played, very good stop. Smart work.
They're
That
looking
will-
for rotation rather than big strokes here.
Yes, absolutely. Need fireworks. 1 run will no. They will pressurize. They will get more pressurized on. The run rate will increase. And now 16 balls, 55.
But you never know what changes at the last moment.
And taken, gone. 1 more wicket fall. This is absolutely fantastic performance by Clean Max Hybrid.
With that, they've secured 21 runs in 3.
Yes, 21 for 3. That's 1 more wicket fall here of DX United. It's a breakthrough. Rahul. पंद्रह गेंदों में 55 की दरकार है डीएक्स यूनाइटेड को. देखिए देखिए यहां पर मिलेगा विकेट. क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड. अब ये मैच इनका है. रन लेना चाहते थे, वापस भेज दिया. गुड स्टॉप बाय द फील्डर. And they have the attacking fielding from start till now. Absolutely fantastic performance. One more wicket fall. 21 for 4. 15 again. 21 for 5 indeed. 55 from 14 balls.
A little more intent would help here. ऐसा लग रहा है अभी भी इनका warm up चल रहा है. DX United still needs 55 runs in 14 balls.
Yeah, it's now the game of Clean Max Hybrid because it's very difficult to chase this 13 balls and 55. So also almost at 22 runs every over.
वो Sunday energy missing है DX में.
Yeah, we'll see the next match because already the energy was on of Clean Max. That's why Shrida, they are defending champions.
For everybody sitting around here, remind yourself to hydrate and keep yourself.
Yes, 5 gone, it's 22 for 5 and they need 54 runs in 12 balls. So 27 every over.
With that, Mitesh, over to you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Shrida, for your excellent commentary work. We'll see you later. So फिलहाल मैच की यहाँ पर परिस्थिति तहस महस कर दी है क्लीन मैक्स ने. It's 54 from 12 balls. Harshad and Krishna. Rahul Matre really bowled well. 2 over 1 made and 2 runs and 3 wickets. That's a very good attacking bowling. Lydia into the bowling attack. अभी भी मैच यहां पर खत्म नहीं है. 6 रन मिलेंगे. What a hit, what a shot. Short pitch ball. 27 runs every over. Coming last 2 over, they will get a run. मौका है अभी भी. Once again, oh, यहां पर ये क्या बीच में आ गया. This could be the disadvantage factor, but no worry. 10 balls and 47. Every ball almost at 5 runs. Need to big hit and this could be the one more chance, but no. हर्षद यहाँ पर कोशिश कर रहे हैं और कुछ आतिशबाजी करने के लिए. Final hope from the skipper that Harshad can do something. एक औपचारिकता यहाँ पर. हवा में गेंद, मौका है. सेफ लैंडिंग. एक ही रन से संतोष. बेहतरीन फील्डिंग वर्क है. It's 8 balls and 45 to get. Swing and a miss, and now it's game of Clean Max Hybrid. 7 गेंद और 45. अब मात्र औपचारिकता. It's a big shout and given. Skipper is doing a fantastic job behind the stumps. One more wicket fall. 6 gone, 31 for 6. And now it's a game of Clean Max Hybrid for sure. Because 6 ball left and 45 to get. What a fantastic start for the day 6 of the Brookfield Premier League 2025. Absolutely fantastic participation by all the cricketers, all Brookfield cricketers across India. And for the last over to bowl, Atish back into the attack. So it's like a silence before a storm for the shout out for Team Clean Max Hybrid. They're gonna one more victory coming up for them. Three match, three win. Now fourth match will be the fourth win. Jurek hit. That's good work, but only a single. This time up and over, but only a single. But now it's a game of Clean Max. That's played safe up and over the fielder. And it's important also with how many margin win you get, because that will help also in the net run rate. So every run saved, every run scored also matters. फिलहाल 40 रन 3 गेंद. देखना होगा कितने मार्जिन से इस मैच को जीतते हैं क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड, ताकि उनके एक नेट रन रेट में मदद हो सके. Swing and a miss. Coming up the last 2 balls left now. आखिरी 2 गेंद is first match of day 6. Oh, very good stop. Good jumping effort. Chance. Oh, the bails are off. There's only one bail got off. And straight to the third umpire referred by Mr. Jitendra. This is what? Never lose the momentum. भले आपने मैच जीता है बड़े रन से, पर एक एक रन बचाना भी यहाँ पर जरूरी है. और जिस प्रकार से फील्डिंग की है क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड ने, और ऐसे ही कुछ मैचेस और देखने मिलेंगे आगे. तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ, जुड़े रहिए. आज संडे है, फंडे है, और देखना होगा डबल जोश डबल धमाका है जारी. आज सारे कंटेंडर्स लगेंगे लय भारी. ऑलरेडी क्लीन मैक्स लग रहे हैं लय भारी यहाँ पर. And they're referring for that third umpire waiting. Confirmation. And coming up, the last ball of the match. They're going for 2. This could be the one more run out, और मिस्टर चतुर्वेदी अब स्टंप्स को भेज देंगे सीधा हॉस्पिटल. विक्ट्री मिली है यहाँ पर, जीत लिया है, बाजी जीत ली है. और बन गए इस मैच के मुकद्दर के सिकंदर. क्लीन मैक्स, a back-to-back 4 wins in this tournament. Absolutely fantastic performance. So beautiful, so elegant, so damdar, so shandar. Clean Max Hybrid was just looking like a wow. इस मैच को जीत लिया है बड़े मार्जिन से. And congratulations. And for the next match. But before we have the Player of the Match award, I request Clean Max to present at the presentation area. And Manish, over to you.